Hey guys, it's Fonzie, and today we are trying something new. Now, you've probably seen our Mad Scientist Dip videos before, where we put a poll up with a bunch of different components on it. We let you guys vote on those components, and the top 2 voted components, regardless of what they are, we combine them 50-50, we spray them on a car full scale, and whatever happens, happens. And we're putting a twist on it today. Today we are doing a Mad Scientist Dip video with aerosols on wheels. Now, you may be asking yourself, how the heck are they going to combine aerosols on wheels? I will show you. Enjoy the video. So, what exactly are we doing today and how are we going to do it? Well, first and foremost, the 2 components that won the Mad Scientist Dip poll were burnt copper alloy dip pearl aerosol and silver turquoise chameleon aerosol. So what do we have here? Well, we've got a wheel off the M3, and all 4 wheels are off the car, and each one of them has 6 coats of black Plasti Dip down as a base. Now, you may ask yourself, why on this video versus all the other wheel videos that we've done have we decided to remove the wheels for this one? Well, it all comes down to making it easier for us based on the application process we're going to be using. So how are we going to take burnt copper aerosol and silver turquoise chameleon aerosol and combine them for a Mad Scientist Dip? Now, we could layer them one on top of the other, but that's not fun. That's not in the spirit of the Mad Scientist Dip. Now, you may ask yourself, why are these attached to spray triggers and why does it look like I'm about to dual wield? Because I'm about to dual wield. What we're going to do is take each one of the aerosols, crisscross the spray patterns, and allow them to combine in midair. Let those metallic particles combine and land on this wheel surface as one mixed together color. Now, if you've been watching this channel long enough, you know that maybe 6 or 7 years ago, we did this exact technique when all those crazy pearlizer colors came out, and it actually works really well. So having the wheel elevated is going to be a lot easier for us to work this technique out. Now, how well is this going to work? I have no idea. Is this something that you guys should try at home? Probably not, but we're going to jump right into it now and see how it turns out. Well, guys, there's really 2 main reasons why we do these Mad Scientist Dip videos. The first reason is because they're fun. I genuinely enjoy doing them. I like the experimentation. I have fun filming these videos. The second reason is because it forces us to combine different components, different colors and products that we would never normally combine. It forces us to put ourselves outside our comfort zone and create new, unique colors and finishes. And that's exactly what we got today with this crazy project. We got a wheel color that is literally indescribable, meaning I don't know how to describe it to you. It's metallic grayish silver in some lights, and then you see some rose red, and then you see some purplish, and then you've seen some green, and then in some low lights, it has a copper or bronzish film to it. It's awesome. I absolutely love this color, and we would have never, ever gotten it or intentionally combined these two together. So first of all, thank you guys for always participating in these Mad Scientist Dip polls, because that's what helps fuel the whole thing. So we're gonna go outside and check it out here in just a second. If you wanna dip your wheels, we have tons of colors to choose from. Click up here, it'll bring you to all of our wheel kits. If you wanna replicate exactly what we did today, I would strongly suggest just thinking it over for a while. I don't think this application process is practical, and you're more than welcome to try it. I just don't wanna see you guys spend any money and then not get a good end result. So think about it first. But if you have any questions at all, you can always just chat with us directly on DipYourCar.com or call in, because we like to talk to you guys about your projects. Now, let's go outside and check out this end result. If you want to see more aerosol Mad Scientist dips mixed in with the other Mad Scientist dips we do, please let me know in the comments below, because I read those comments and I care about your opinion. It's Fonzie. I will see you on the next video.